This is a tutorial for World Scout eVoting system. Here are the steps of how a delegation can cast their vote for simple motions with 6 votes allocated. Log in to the eVoting system at vote.scout.org and access the relevant event to be ready to cast your vote. When a vote is activated, it will show on the left side of the screen under the Active Voter header. It will include the progress bar, timer, and voter turnout. As quorum is determined at the beginning of the event, the voter turnout serves as an indication of those delegations that decided to practice their right to vote. Click on the active vote. The details of the selected vote will appear on the right-hand side of your screen with the options available for casting your vote. As this is a simple motion, your vote options are in favor, against, or abstain. Select your desired option to cast all your votes. If you wish to split your vote, click on the Split Vote toggle to enable the function. Then allocate your vote across the desired vote options. Depending on the size of your browser, the split vote will appear as a drop-down selection or a row with easy select options from 0 to 6. You can select or unselect each option by clicking. Carefully review your vote allocation is correct. Note that once you have cast your vote, no further changes can be made. Confirm your vote by clicking the Confirm Vote button. As a precaution, the Confirm Vote button will only be active when you have allocated all your votes, either altogether or by splitting them. A confirmation message that your vote has been submitted will appear. You are unable to change your vote once it is confirmed. When the vote is closed, the result will appear. You can see overall results of the vote plus how your delegation voted. For motions requiring a simple majority, the vote is carried with more than 50% of the votes cast in favor. For motion requiring a two-thirds majority, the vote is carried with 2/3 or more of the votes cast in favor.